I am Mother Earth. The Indians of the Amazon rainforest call me Nunca. I would like to tell you a story. It applies to all of you, because this is your story. I was created a perfect environment for countless different species. All of life functions on me, according to a sacred plan. Every being has its particular talents and duties. Everything on Earth has its purpose. They're all equally valuable, whether they're vegetable, mineral, animal, or human being. Originally, all people were conscious of this equality. Nowadays, there are only a few tribes left, like, for example, the Achua Indians. They live in complete harmony with nature. They totally rely on me, their mother. Other people have moved a long way away from me. They have made tremendous progress in the area of technology. They have created many good things. But the further they moved away from me, their mother, the unhappier they became. They're polluting me, and they nearly destroyed me. That is how man created terrible diseases and allergies. But now is the time of insight and change. More and more people are becoming aware of an urge to return to nature. They feed themselves on healthy organic food. They look after their bodies with pure and natural products, without chemical additives. These Earth children are my great hope. Their love and attention will help to bring about the essential change.
At Ambient, we want to preserve the original power of the plant when we transform it into body care. The production of powerful living cosmetics can only succeed if we listen to Mother Nature. The collection of wild plants is a highly skilled profession. Our producer harvests with great care and respect. Just like the gardener who prunes a plant to strengthen it, we only take surplus produce. That way, we get the best ingredients for living cosmetics. And at the same time, we help preserve the ecosystem. In our labs, we carefully create the plant extracts by hand. We combine the ancient art of herbal medicine with modern science. To keep the power and the essence of the plant intact, our work requires great care. Even the smallest chemical additive or careless processing would disturb the plant's energy. If we take great care to keep our preparations natural, then living cosmetics will really be doing some good.
The Amazon rainforest has countless healing plants available for mankind. That's Oro Verde, your green gold. Here goes the shaman Don Jose in search of an exceptionally precious substance, dragon's blood. Don Jose has great respect for the dragon blood tree. It's to be used for healing and for healthy body care. He asks permission to use the precious blood in order to help mankind. The Achua have a lot to offer the people of the industrial nations. Dragon's blood is only one example. They have no civilization diseases, allergies, or cancer. The Achua live in the moment. They are quite simply in the here and now. They don't hide their real feelings behind a mask, but show them freely and spontaneously. They don't try to do 3 things at the same time, one thing after another, everything in its own time. That could be a way for you to consider, on your way to a natural and fulfilling life in harmony with me, Nunca, your Mother Earth.